Alright, this is week 5, day 9, CIS-125. We conditionals and took the second quiz today. So let's take a look. Landing spot. We talked about this idea of painting an area to land something, like out in a field. And so, not using the exact same problem, so we have the diameter and we have the width here, and the diameter here, and the width. Okay, so then we can calculate how much paint that takes. We already did an IPO on the previous example, but now we added this. If the diameter is between 1 and 100 feet, the width's going to be 5. If it's greater than 100, the width has to be 10 then. When it gets bigger, we're going to make the width bigger. So we're going to need to use a conditional. Okay, we're going to bypass the legend, save some time, and we're going to use a conditional. So the structure of that, we go one way if it's true, another way if it's false, and then we make sure we bring those back together. One arrow into the box, 2 out, but it comes back together, so we have one direction. So we need a solution. Start, and we didn't complete it, but we initialized some items. We said width 1 was 5, width 2 was 10, we initialized pi, paint coverage was 300 feet per gallon or whatever the stipulation was the other day, and then cutoff is going to be 100. So we input the diameter, and we say if that's greater than the cutoff, then our width, the W we're going to use in our calculation further down, width 2, then W becomes 10. If this is false, then we're 100 or less, and then we're going to use this one, the width 5. Alright, some pseudocode. Start, let, we've got our initialization, we've got our input, and then here's our if-then. So here's the true part, here's the false part. Let's see if we can diagram that out. So here's a conditional. If the conditional is true, then we're going to do this part. True part. If it's false, we're going to skip over, we're going to go this way, and we're going to do this part. And then and if, okay? True, false, one or the other. And then we continue on in the program. Alright, so what we did the rest of the class, well, the rest of the period before the quiz was we took a look at the next problem, which is a payroll problem, and we talked through that a little bit. So if you had questions on that, you have to let me know. That's it for today.